Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Build your life, do it yourself. Hey everyone, so I just got my first HelloFresh box in the mail, and I just wanted to open it quickly and show you guys what's inside before I put it away in my refrigerator. If you don't know, HelloFresh is a meal delivery service. They have different plans depending on your diet. Here is my first box. I've never done it before. It just came in the mail. So I just want to show you just what the outside of the box says. It has 100%. It says 100% of our carbon emissions are offset. You're reducing your food waste by at least 25%. Says, can we get a kale? Yeah. So that's that. I got a vegetarian plan. I've been trying not to eat meat for a while. So when you pick your plan, there's like a certain amount of servings you can get per week per meal. And the minimum amount of servings was 2. So you can get 2 servings, 4 servings, 6 servings, things like that. And then you pick how many meals you want each week. So the minimum was 2, and this is just for me. So I just did 2 servings, and I did 3 meals. And they're all vegetarian. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Welcome to America's #1 meal kit, and here are helpful tips, tricks, and info since you are our #1. All right, so there's just different things in here, meal suggestions, how to get started. They had a huge discount when I started. They had a big discount, and then also because I'm a healthcare worker, they were giving extra discounts to healthcare workers. So I believe it was about $22. It might have somewhere in here the bill. I think it was $22 for, I guess, technically 6 meals or 6 servings. So I had 3 meals and 2 servings per meal. So 6 servings, however you want to say it, including shipping and everything. Some other stuff in here. Hello Perks. Okay. Let's see what this says. So this is one of my meals. Is cheesy black bean tacos. Cheesy black bean tacos with poblano and smoky red pepper crema. One pan. It's a 1-pan meal. Prep time is 3 minutes. Cook is 15. Calories 840. That's kind of a lot. Okay. 2 persons. Okay, so this is it. Should be 2-person. Okay, so there's scallions, poblano peppers, Southwest spice blend, black beans, Tex-Mex paste, white cheddar cheese, Mexican cheese, smoky red pepper crema, and flour tortillas. I guess so it says 6. And then my other one is Middle Eastern chickpea bowls with pistachio rice and garlicky white sauce. They did give you options to switch out your meals if you didn't want them, but I thought all mine looked good, so I just stuck with the ones that they were offering me for the vegetarian plan. And it should be different each week to my understanding. So this one is, the prep time is 10 minutes, cook is 40 minutes, and 750 calories. These are kind of a lot. I don't know if that means per person. I would guess so. Okay, then the next one is sun-dried tomato spaghetti with fresh herbs, almonds, and Parmesan. Prep time 10 minutes, cook is 20 minutes, and calories is 680. Okay, so on the back, this is the cheesy black bean tacos. On the back, they have how you will cook it and what you will need. Like this one says, bust out your large pan, strainer, paper towels, vegetable oil. And it says the prep, cook, and then how to finish and serve. So this is the, what's that called? Middle Eastern chickpea bowls. This one looks a little more complicated. You need a strainer, paper towels, zester, which I don't have one, small pot, baking sheet, small bowl, kosher salt, black pepper, olive oil, butter. So it's prep, cook rice, roast veggies, make sauce, mix and toss. This is probably a little bit more labor intensive than I was thinking, so maybe next time I'll look more into that. But it does give you step-by-step for each meal. This one should be, let's see, this one says 10-minute prep, 20-minute cook. Not too bad, I don't think. That's for the sun-dried tomato pasta. I want to, let me see what's in here. Sorry, I broke my camera stand, so I'm just holding my phone with my hand. Let's see, it's in this like insulated bag, and then I guess here's my food in here. I wonder if I can take it out. I might need to put the phone down for a second. So this one is my black bean tacos. I'll show you what's in here really quick. Some shredded Mexican cheese. I think this is a poblano pepper. This might be spicy. Tex-Mex paste. What's this? Southwest spice blend. These are my tortillas. Oh, and some more cheese. Some white cheddar cheese. And this one is some green onion. Let's see. Oh, black beans. Let's see, some sour cream, I think. No, this is red pepper cream. And then, so black beans in here. So there's that one. That's the black bean tacos. Alright, so this one is the Middle Eastern chickpea bowl. Or I guess there's 2 bowls. Or 2 servings anyway. Let's see. So this is, ooh, cilantro. Fresh cilantro. There's a little package. Here are my chickpeas. It's kind of neat. Kind of container. This is tomatoes, grape tomatoes. They all look pretty good. I thought my delivery was coming tomorrow, but maybe I read it wrong. I don't know. A half cup of basmati rice. Okay, so these are pistachios, I think. Yeah, pistachios. This is Cholula sauce, hot sauce. Okay. Sour cream, acidified sour cream. Ooh. A red onion. Lemon. A lot of stuff in here. Another sour cream. Some little small things in here. Oh, garlic. And what's it say? Shawarma spice blend. All that. Just a couple, another garlic clove in there. So there is that. I like this is pretty neat actually. And I honestly like really hate grocery shopping. Like I don't like going in the store. I hardly ever go in the store unless it's somewhere like Trader Joe's that I never get to go. But I don't know. I'll have to try this out and see how they go because I like how they have all the fresh ingredients. I like a lot of fresh ingredients. I just don't like to go to the store and get them. Okay, and then I got one more. This one is, what is it? Sun-dried tomato spaghetti. So this is green herb blend. Okay, I got some grape tomatoes. Sliced almonds. Small sliced almonds. This be my pasta. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's hard to get everything out. It's like super bumpy. Spaghetti. Just regular spaghetti. This is sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, veggie. What is this? This says veggie. Okay. And then cream cheese, I believe. Interesting. Oops. And Parmesan cheese. another little garlic clove for this one. I think that's it. Okay, so I'm liking this so far. I'll have to let you guys know how it goes. I'll try to take pictures and maybe a quick video. I'll have to see when I'm making it. But I just wanted to show you guys what comes in the box and kind of what to expect if you were to get HelloFresh. I probably will. I'd like to try it for a few weeks, so I would like to continue it for a few weeks, especially it's at quite a big discount right now. I think it said it was like 90% off, something like that, and then I got like some kind of healthcare discount, so it's pretty cheap. So if you want to try it, it might be the time. I'll try and put HelloFresh link down there. I'm not sure if I can share a coupon code or anything because this is not a sponsored video. But I'll link it below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.